The Joy 61-key keyboard kit offers a simulation of piano keys that delivers rich and solid sound similar to that of a traditional piano. It includes a variety of features such as 128 timbres, 128 rhythms, and 12 demonstration songs to enhance your learning experience. The multifunctional LED display provides clear guidance and control for users, making it easier to follow along with demonstration songs and choose desired functions. This keyboard is designed with multiple playing options, including single-finger chords, fingered chords, and chord timbre, catering to diverse playing styles. With its convenient USB music player function, the Joy keyboard allows you to connect and play your favorite tunes effortlessly. The complete kit includes a music stand, headphone, keyboard stand, and music stool, ensuring you have everything needed for an enjoyable keyboard performance.